it took forever, I'm not good at unboxing because it's so heavy.